Sound familiar? For years I was lost in a sea of clicks, clacks and connectivity issues. I was on a mission to find the perfect wireless keyboard, but the choices were overwhelming. So I did what you would do. I went all and I tested over 25 different models, from budget-friendly secrets to high-end luxury boards. I tested for latency, battery life, typing feel, and that elusive it factor. And after all that, the results shocked me, because the best keyboard isn't always the most expensive one. Today I'm revealing the only 5 wireless keyboards you need to consider in 2025, and number 3 will completely change how you think about your desk setup. Starting at number 1. The best wireless keyboard. The Logitech Pop Icon Keys is comfortable, compact, and convenient. It feels great to type on, plus it has long battery life. It can switch between 3 paired devices, and it comes in multiple cute colors. And our pick is super portable, sturdy enough to use on your lap, and small and light enough to slip in a bag and take with you. We don't love the ugly logo in the middle of the spacebar or the shiny clear plastic border, but these are small aesthetic issues. Number 2. A less expensive option. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2K380S is the best option if you're looking for something less expensive. Our budget pick is a durable keyboard that has a comfortable typing experience, unlike many cheap-feeling keyboards in this price range. Like our top pick, the Pebble Keys 2 offers long battery life, can switch between 3 paired devices, and comes in a variety of cute colors. But its round keys take some getting used to, and its arrow keys are small. Number 3. The best compact full-size keyboard. If you want a wireless keyboard with a built-in number pad, we recommend the Logitech K585 Slim multi-device wireless keyboard, which is more compact than many other models with number pads. Like our top pick, the K585 offers a comfortable typing experience and has a battery that will last for years. The K585 also provides a convenient stand for a phone or tablet, a feature that none of our other picks have. But this keyboard lacks a backlight, and it can connect to and swap between only 2 devices. Number 4. The best full-size keyboard. If you want a traditional full-size wireless keyboard with a number pad, get the Logitech MX Keys S or the Logitech MX Keys S for Mac. This keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience, and it has backlit keys, a feature that our top pick lacks. The MX Keys S can pair with 3 devices via Bluetooth. The regular version also comes with a USB dongle, but the Mac version does not. But the MX Keys S is huge. It takes up way more desk space than our top pick, its battery life is short, and it's comparatively expensive. Number 5. The fanciest option. If you want a better typing experience and fun extra features, we recommend the new PHY Air 75 V2 and the new PHY Air 96 V2. These low-profile mechanical keyboards are delightful to type on, and they're available with a variety of switches. We recommend brown switches if you're not sure where to start, though you can swap out the switches, too. The Air 75 and Air 96 have RGB backlighting and 2 snazzy light bars. They're fully programmable with the easy-to-use VIA software, and they come with extra keycaps for Windows and Mac. In addition to Bluetooth and an included USB dongle, the Air 75 and Air 96 can work over a wired connection. And there you have it, from the ultimate productivity machine to the gamer's secret weapon. These are the 5 wireless keyboards that truly earned their spot. If you're ready to cut the cord for good, you can find direct links to every single keyboard I've featured today, along with the best current prices waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide saved you hours of research and confusion, pay it back by smashing that like button, sharing this with a friend who needs an upgrade, and subscribing for more no-nonsense tech reviews. We're building the best setup possible, one piece at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.